my city. Yeah, man, see if you know where I'm at. On my way to pick my son up. Yeah, man, figure blog, Ty Skrilla. You know what I mean? Speaking the topic, I think today, loyalty. You know what I mean? See a lot of people post things about loyalty on their Facebook and all that, so I figure I'll speak on it. So I'm just saying, real quick, fast driving. Be loyal to those loyal to you, man. Like women, niggas. Be loyal to your people, your friends, whatever. Family. You know, sometimes you don't go like you always wanted, but you know what I mean? People gonna be who they is, man. So don't change who you is or be an unloyal person because of who other people is, man. Like, fuck it. You know what I mean? Who cares? You know what I mean? Do what you gotta do to keep your integrity intact. You know what I mean? As far as that, quick blog, floating through my city. You know what I mean? Everybody be safe, be cool, be blessed.